Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save audio in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here you can or you will need just to open your Filmora, and after that you will be needing like to start a new project so you can start importing your media and adding them to the timeline. So simply here, you will be able like to just drag and drop, etc. So as you can see here, now I have my video that has, for example, this audio. And there are many ways like to save the audio. So first, you might be or you might want to uh, get the audio of the video, and then you can start like editing on audio and then exporting the footage as or projects as an audio at the end. So you can just right click, and as you can see, and basically you can see the detach audio, and that would allow us like to detach the audio from the video, and now you can just have your own audio. So simply now you can just have your voice project. Like for example, you will only be having like for example audios, etc. And then all you will need to do is just to export your project as an audio. So simply you will go to export, and from there you will find like MP4. So you will go to the audio format and it will be MP3. As you can see, all the video settings have been disabled since it's only an audio format. And by that, you will be able like to save the whole projects as an audio. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.